Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Renee, your wealth coach. Happy Monday! I know you're wondering, where does she get all this energy from? First thing on a Monday morning, I've already been out swimming, doing my laps. I've already got my mind right for the day. And the title is The Early Bird Gets the Worm. And I saw a quote, and this channel is about investing, whether it's in a business or real estate investing or investing in stocks or crypto. And I'm not a pro at crypto, but I'm trying my best. and but it was saying that, and this also applies to life, that there are early people. Hey, good morning, Terrence. And there are latecomers. So even in the world of investing, there's people that, like last year, everything that I put in for last year, like I was taking classes on, I have knowledge in real estate, but I keep taking classes. So I took the Jamal King. Good morning, Pam. Welcome to the live. And I took the Jamal King's class last year on real estate and learned some more to what I already know. I've taken, I'm building a social media platform. So I've taken classes on that. So my last year preparation and training and skill learning is going to put me in a position this year to take off and apply everything that I learned last year. So the early bird gets the worm. And so usually, like, especially in stock buying, there's people that create a watch list, that do their research, that they do their due diligence. So when that stock becomes available in the price range that they're looking for, they're able to move when that price range gets there. People that come late to the table are those that purchase off of hype. They're just, everywhere you turn around, the news, you turn on the financial channels, you see it in the paper. I mean, you just hear news about a stock and they're buying, but they're buying late. They're buying it at a high price. The skilled investors have already purchased early. They've already made their money. They might even be coming out at that time. So I want to be on the early side of an investment. On real estate, I want to be on the early side of building a business. I want to be on the early side. I want to have my skills already in place, because every day you find opportunities to take advantage of. But if you don't, and then Pam, you could relate. You remember, I got your package in the back. I can't think of the guy's name, but that $10,000 package that you bought. A lot of people buy these packages. They go to seminars, they buy the package, and they put it on the shelf versus getting in there and just learning, getting the skills down pat, repetition, getting in there, reading a book over. If you come across a great book that changes your life, there's some people that read Think and Grow Rich every year. And so the next book we're going to read in the book club is going to be on buying stock short. Now, I've never done it, but it teaches you how to read charts. And I think that that's a great skill to have, whether you're buying short term or long term, or if you're buying crypto. I think having the skills of learning how to read those charts will make a difference in your investments. It will put you ahead of, it will allow you to make early investments to make the money, because it's the ones that are involved early, especially when the stock is going like this. If you get in early, you get all those gains. But if you come in late, you're buying up here. And then, so let's get some skills this year. I will post the next book, and I just want to come on, be that early person. Don't be the one that's late to the table. Be the one that's there early. Like if you set up a meeting with a mentor or someone that has knowledge in something that you're trying to learn, be on time, be early. Don't just show up late. Don't waste that person's time. So it's beneficial to be there early. And so that's my message for today. See you on the next video. Bye.